Today I'm going to be reviewing BENFEI's 7-in-1 laptop stand. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is what it looks like. Let's open up the box, see what we got, and go from there. All right, and here's the stand. Before we get to the 7-in-1, which is amazing because I've seen these before and I love them. To add this as a docking station makes it great. This has the padding on there for your laptop. It's going to fit in there just fine. As you can see, these are very adjustable, so you can adjust it up, this front part up, and you can lift it. And the fact that it's kind of hard to push it is exactly what you want. You want to be really tough, so over time, moving it up and down, it's not going to lose any of that. What I really like about this for laptops, and a lot of people forget, especially gaming laptops, getting it off the ground and allowing more airflow is going to make your laptop last longer. So very adjustable. And the bottom also, it's not going to slip. Plugging it in, this goes right into your laptop here, and that is going to power everything else in here. One thing to remember for HDMI, you'll see on the side here for HDMI, you got to make sure that your laptop has not data only, that it will actually have video. You've got micro SD card reader, you have a regular SD card reader, and then on this side, you got your USB-C 100 watt. You got your USB 3.1, which is also USB-C. It's just not as powerful. And then you have two USB-A 3.2s right here. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars, over 700 reviews. And last month, 200 plus of these were bought. I'm not seeing that these are getting returned. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.